जा रहा है? हाँ, दिख रहा है तुम लोग को?
यस सर।
हाँ दिख रहा है। तुम लोग और वीडियो ऑन कर लो प्लीज सबको। हाँ। तो we have already discussed in previous class, we have already discussed what is the inventor of condensed milk and evaporated milk. You have already know Gordon, who has patented patented the condensed milk, whereas John Meinberg, who has patented the sterilized milk, that is evaporated milk, unsweetened condensed milk. So these are the, we have already discussed in previous class the what are the different developments in condensed milk, and these are the basic basic things which I have already discussed with you. And beside that, I have already told you that Eagle is the main brand which is actually came into the picture in 1858, and later on it is actually spread throughout the world. और इसके बाद जो हम बताना चाह रहे थे कि व्हाट शुड बी द, जैसे हमने बताया कि जॉन मेयनबर्ग, ये कहाँ के थे? स्विट्जरलैंड के एक ऑपरेटर थे जिन्होंने प्रोसेस ऑफ हीट डिस्टिलेशन यूज करके, है ना, इवोपरेटेड मिल्क बनाया, और तब से इवोपरेटेड मिल्क जो है मार्केट में आ रहा है। और इसमें ब्यूटी क्या है, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? वन इज विथ, ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूं कि that is one condensed milk is actually preserved by the sugar, whereas in case of evaporated milk, instead of sugar we are using heat distillation for improving the shelf life of the evaporated milk. We have already discussed these parts. So far as
PPT नहीं दिख रहा है।
PPT नहीं दिख रहा है? दिख रहा है कि नहीं?
नो सर।
नहीं सर।
नो सर, नहीं दिख रहा है।
नहीं सर।
अब दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
वैसे पिछली बार तो दिख रहा था। शेयर तो इसमें दिखा रहा है।
शेयरिंग दिखा रहा है, स्टार्टेड स्क्रीन शेयरिंग स्टार्ट हो रहा है।
अब दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
नहीं दिख रहा है। देखते हैं। अब दिख रहा है?
सिर्फ शेयरिंग लिखा रहा है सर।
अब दिख रहा है?
नो सर। नो सर।
स्क्रीन शेयर इज पॉज्ड, क्या है? तुम लोग कुछ किए हो क्या?
नो सर।
नो सर।
अब दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
हाँ? दिख रहा है?
नो सर।
हर बार तो ऐसे ही करते हैं।
आगे से आगे
यस सर।
अब आया?
हाँ आ गया सर।
यही कर रहा हूँ, कोई किसी ने कुछ किया होगा। So we have already discussed the history, developments, what are the definitions, what are the legal standards. We have already given you the lecture notes also, है ना? So now today we are going to discuss another topic, that is what is the grading and quality of condensed milk. What should be the quality of milk, raw milk, which is actually suitable for the condensed milk, for preparation of condensed milk or evaporated milk. So this is very important aspect when we are actually use the milk for the evaporated, for preparation of evaporated milk or condensed milk. So we here the milk, what should be the quality of milk? Milk should be free from any antibiotics. Milk should be free from any pesticides, Milk should be free from any abnormal off flavors. Milk should be free from any contaminants. Milk should be free from any detergent residues. Milk should be free from any type of other antibiotic residues. These are the, and milk should contain not develop acidity. If the development of acidity is more, then the shelf life of the milk is very poor. So these are the very basic things which you have to consider for selection of milk for preparation of condensed milk. We are actually conducting test for suitability, for checking the suitability of milk for the preparation of condensed milk. So what are the different tests? There are mainly 3 different tests which are actually used for acceptance or rejections of the condensed milk. So what are the different tests? Can you say, anyone? There are actually 3 type of tests generally conducted at the dairy industry for acceptance or rejections of milk for preparation of sweetened condensed milk or unsweetened condensed milk, that is evaporated milk. One is alcohol test. We have already done in a previous class. Another one is COB test, clot on boiling test, which you have done in market milk as a platform test. And alcohol test is also considered as one of the test which is comes under the platform test. And another one is alcohol index. And alcohol index is also one of the indicator for acceptance or rejections of the milk. तो हम लोग कैसे इसको डिटरमाइन करते हैं? अल्कोहल टेस्ट ऑलरेडी तुमने किया है और सीओबी टेस्ट ऑलरेडी किया है. तो these 2 tests are actually generally conducted for checking the heat stability of the milk, because milk has to undergo with the very high heat treatment. है ना? If milk is having developed acidity, then definitely milk become coagulate. और यही नहीं, मिल्क का क्वालिटी क्या होना चाहिए? मिल्क शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम एनी एडल्ट्रेंट्स, मिल्क शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रिजर्वेटिव्स, मिल्क शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम एनी अदर फॉरेन मटेरियल्स, मिल्क शुड नॉट कंटेन एनी, है ना, एनी फॉरेन अनडिजायरेबल फॉरेन मटेरियल्स, है ना, which actually hamper the effect, which will affect the quality of the milk.